Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us tonight into our virtual holiday event that we are doing for you guys. I'm going to give everybody a couple more minutes to log on. I know we have some viewers that are going to be watching through YouTube and Facebook, so I'm going to give everybody a couple minutes to go ahead and log on there. But we have some exciting things for you. This is going to be the biggest special that we've done this year so far. All of our services are basically going to be on special for you guys. And Dr. Mira was kind enough to extend a little holiday treat for you guys. And just by RSVPing and tuning into our event tonight, you'll get $50 in your account. So be sure to comment your name that you are watching so we know where to go ahead and deposit that $50 into your account. If you did happen to refer a new friend and tell them about our event and they're also watching tonight, go ahead and let us know. The girls are at the front answering the phone, so you can get $50 as well as your friend will get $50 just by tuning in tonight.
So welcome everyone, whoever's already there. I think I saw Jennifer, so hi. So you are going to get, so Marcia, Elaine, Megan, Kathy, welcome. Thank you for joining in. Barbara is here again, Angie. Thank you everyone. As Denise said, we are going to be doing our biggest sale of this year. And we are just compensating $50 for your time to be with us, to watching us. And if you're bringing a new friend, we're going to get $50 on top of that. So you can earn up to $100. And which I think they can use towards the facials.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Dr. Mira is doing a Christmas miracle for you guys, and she's gonna let you guys use the $50 that you're earning tonight towards the special, which is not something we normally do. So she's going to go ahead and sweeten up the specials that we are going to be offering to you guys tonight. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch us and hear about all the services we offer. And we have a lot of things to go over for you guys.
Right, so we're going to go over all the events what we're planning to do today. But just want to say hi to everyone again. Thank you for joining us. Hopefully everybody's having a very good evening and exciting holidays coming. I know this year is kind of a little bit different and weird in a way, but we are still thankful that everybody's healthy, everybody's doing okay. Thank you for supporting us, being our clients, our friends, thank you for supporting our business. And we kind of recommend to support all your local businesses because we need you guys. And thank you for doing that. Thank you for supporting. I've been very thankful. I've been very lucky. So let's
go over the agenda.
Yes.
All right, so tonight I'm going to go over the event specials for you guys. Keep in mind, if you do miss when I blow up the special, you can always go to our website, goldenglowmedicalspa.com/specials, and you can go ahead and view all the specials there. I'm also going to go over the raffle tonight. The raffle winner will be chosen next Wednesday, the 16th, so you will have until next Wednesday to take advantage of these specials. So if you're still a little unsure on what to buy, go ahead and call the girls up front. We have many appointments available within the next coming week before this deadline to take advantage of the specials. Aside from that, we're going to go over some before and afters for laser treatments that Dr. Mira does, the injectables, the thread lifts, and as well as our body contouring that we have as well. So lots of things to go over tonight. The raffle is a $10,000 grand makeover prize. And the raffle is going to include one Coolsculpting cycle, as well as one Thermi body treatment, one Thermivod treatment, 3 chemical peels, 2 syringes of Restylane filler, as well as 50 units of Dysport. And then we also have 6 laser hair removal treatments, 1 area of threads, and a CO2 laser treatment. So one lucky person is going to win that $10,000 grand prize. Every $500 you spend towards the special is going to get you 1 raffle ticket. And of course, if you are one of our VIP members, you're actually going to earn double the amount of tickets to get into that raffle. And we do have some people that have already gotten into the raffle, so it's going to be very competitive.
Yeah, so this is really exciting. So in our raffle, we try to give like all non-surgical face rejuvenation plus some body rejuvenation. We are emphasizing this year on like female vaginal rejuvenation because a lot of time that has been neglected. Nobody talks about it. So this year we're going to change that. We encourage everybody to talk about that because that's area a lot of people need and they don't talk about it. We're running a great special on that too. But we are going to cover most like non-surgical rejuvenation of the face and the body contouring. On the face rejuvenation, we're going to talk about like how we improve our skin, like skin products, some lasers, chemical peels, and then how to take care of the lines which are caused by expressions by Botox, Dysport, or whatever your favorite product is. Like some people like Xeomin. So everything is on facial. And the lower one third of the face, like we need volume, all kind of fillers, Juvederm family, Restylane family, Belafil, if somebody wants a long-term solution, Sculptra. And in the end, like we need some lift, sagginess of the skin. The treatment for that is the threads, which are getting very popular nowadays, and they kind of do a very natural, amazing job. Um, and other than that, in the body sculpting, of course, we do Coolsculpting. We do thermi body for tightening after, like right after the Coolsculpting. And vaginal rejuvenation is thermi. Wow. These are kind of a main specials we are doing. Of course, there are going to be specials on laser hair removal, chemical peels if somebody's interested in that. So this is a time to get the services prepay and put in your beauty bank account because that's going to be really, really good pricing. If you already know, like you've done the Botox before, so getting around 50 to 60 units for your face. Some people wants to pay like more than that because they can use it like every 3 months. That's a good thing to do. If somebody has done filler in the past, like doing lips or cheeks, they need 2 to 3 syringes. So we are doing buy to get one free, and we can always like mix and match and exchange it if they need it to. All products, if you know already your products, that's great. You can have them, or if you have any like confusion, like okay, which product to use, please give us a call, or please consult with us, and we will be available like as soon as we have time. We are also giving 1 week to think it over so that you can take advantage of our special pricing. That's why we have put that we're going to draw our lucky winner next Wednesday. So we have time till next Wednesday. But if you already know what you're interested in, you can go ahead and purchase and be part of your lucky draw.
Yeah, we have a great question so far. So is there any timeline for using the specials? So one thing I do want to touch on is starting January, we will be having a price increase in our services. So I do encourage you guys to go ahead and take advantage of the specials of our inventory we have now and go ahead and buy that, because once you do purchase it, it does stay on your account and it does not expire. So that was a great question.
So regarding all this small price increase, we have not increased our pricing for last 15 years, so that our vendors who kind of sells Botox, they also always increase 5 to 10% every year, but our prices have never been increased. But this time it is our supplies, like even little things like gloves, everything is going up. So it's going to be a small price increase, but it's going to be in January. So we have whole this month if you want to take the advantage of our services before. So we're going to go in detail and let you know about that. So this is just a small price increase to support our business. It's not going to affect a lot of people who are regularly using our services. It's just to kind of cover our little cost and, we keep serving you like we have been doing for the last 10 years plus.
So I'm going to go over the specials that we have going on tonight. So as Dr. Mira did mention before, our injectables are all going to be buy 2 get 1 free, and you can actually mix and match. So if you're somebody who gets Sculptra, but you also want to get your lips, You can do buy two Sculpture, you can get your lips done for free. So definitely encourage you to go ahead and take advantage of that special, as well as our Botox, Dysport, Xeomin, and Jeuveau. So all of our neuromodulators are going to be $9 per unit. Hybella, so that's going to be our fat blaster. That one's going to be buy 3 vials, get 1 free. And then we also are going to have our threads on special, so you'll get 50% off full face, or you could do $500 off per area. So those are some great deals there. We also have for body, we have Coolsculpting going to be on special, so you can take advantage of that. Buy 2 cycles, get 2 cycles 50% off. You'll also get a free Thermi body treatment with that deal. So that's Dr. Mira's signature glow sculpt for body sculpting that we do here. Thermi Body and Thermi Smooth, so those of you that love doing the RF treatments that we offer here, they're going to be buy 1, get 1 free. And then Thermiva, a package of 3 treatments, is going to be 50% off.
Well, that's really, really a good deal there.
So for the spa services that we have, we're going to have chemical peels, buy 1, get 1 free, and you can also mix and match those. Microneedling with PRP is going to be buy 1, get 1 free. And then our products, those of you that love buying the products and are good about keeping up with that, they're going to be 25% off when you have a minimum sale of $200. That 25% off is going to kick in for you there. And then as well, just to touch on, if you are watching tonight, you'll earn $50 in your account as a thank you for watching us. And Dr. Mira is going to go ahead and extend that and let you guys use that towards the specials tonight and for until the 16th.
Yeah.
And then if you did refer a friend and they are watching tonight, go ahead and comment and let us know, because you and your friend will get $50 as well for watching.
All right, that's great. So again, we see like there are a lot of specials, like pretty much everything is on sale, going on for Botox, fillers, threads, your lasers, your skin resurfacing services, your spa services, body sculpting. So please go to our website, and it is under the special tab that you can take advantage of our specials, which is the last, it's going to be there till 16th. And then they're not going to be available anymore because we have to, the winner. So winner, the winner is going to, we do a live Facebook and Instagram drawing. So we put all the slips in a big pot or into kind of a rolling, and one of our girls just going to pick a winner and announce in front of everyone. So that's how we're going to do. And of course, after the announcing in front of everyone, we are going to contact that person. We're going to go like, hey, you're winner of $10,000 services. And then we go and plan everything with them.
Okay, so we have another question for the specials. So the specials are going to be going on until the 16th, so next Wednesday, to give everyone enough time to figure out what they need in case they need to chat with Dr. Mira, or if they want to go ahead and bank, their routine maintenance treatments. You can go ahead and take advantage of that as well.
Right. So you have like today, you can call us tomorrow. We are open this Saturday up to 4. And then the Monday, we are here 10 to 6. So we open at 10 o'clock, guys.
And then the girls are available to answer the phone right now, and they actually are able to chat with you through the website as well. If you're unable to get to a phone, they can help you through there as well.
Yes. So if you have any questions about, please let us know. We'll be happy to help you. And if you have anything like, hey, which should I get Botox, or what kind of a product I should get? Should I get filler? Which type? How many? We can do quick consult and let you know. Or like if you're doing cheeks, it generally takes 2 ml or 1 ml each side. Lips generally take 1 syringe or 1 ml. Sometimes people are worried about the lines around the mouth. So that's a kind of just rough estimation so buy 2 get 1 free is a really, really good deal. Like a lot of people can use.
And another tip is that if you routinely come and get your Botox, you're somebody who comes, every 3 to 4 months routinely, just go ahead and bank what your normal numbers are. If you normally get this area done, you can pre-buy and bank for the whole year what your number is at $9 a unit. So that's going to be a big savings for you.
Yeah, and it generally goes from 12 to 9, so we are doing 9 right now.
Yeah, so also if you are on Brilliant Distinctions, they did just rebrand to Ally, but you can also use any points or coupons, Aspire Rewards. I would encourage you to go ahead and call the girls so they can look to see what coupons you have available, but those can be applied to whatever you purchase as well.
So right now, we're going to jump into like some before and afters, and then I'm going to talk about generally like non-surgical facial rejuvenation. And our whole goal is to make everybody look natural. Number one, they have to look natural and, best version of themselves. So when you go on the face, so Jennifer has a question. Yes, Jennifer, if you know that what product you need, we can pull out, keep it outside for you. You can prepay and just pick up whenever convenient for you. Or you can just come let us know that you want to talk to our esthetician, that what product is going to be best for you. We're going to help you there. So you can just do on the phone or you can come in our spa. But till Wednesday, all our products it's going to be 25% off, with a minimum of $200.
And we actually do have an online store, so you can also go on our website and hit shop just to view what products we do have, and you can make your list that way. And then if you call or if you want to just stop in, they can apply the 25% off in the office once you decide.
Yeah, like Jennifer is like saying she's not sure what she wants, like which kind of a retinol she wants or whatever. So we are always like, you can call us or you are feel free to come by and we'll help you to looking at your skin, what is the best product to get.
All right, so we're going to jump into some before and afters.
Yes.
With laser.
Yes, so some people like we want to start with a nice clean slate. So our skin is going to be really good. Some people have issues with sun damage, redness, pores, fine lines. So BBL or IPL is a really good treatment to take care of all of that. So when we start with our nice, clean, even tone skin, our face looks really young. And then we can go over if the person is young and they only have problem with sun damage and some redness. BBL is great, but if someone wants like more skin tightening, the whole face or around the eyes, around the mouth, we have a deeper laser options too, like deep resurfacing or laser peel. So this lady, you can see she has just done the deep laser resurfacing with CO2, and you can see her get a lot of tightening, lot of smoothing of the skin, which no other laser can do. And she got like really good result on her lower eyelid too. And after that, if you want, we can also add like some filler, whatever the leftover of the deeper lines are, but it's completely personal choice. So if you can see the upper eyelid tightening and a little bit fine lines around the lower eyelids too. So you can see, you can appreciate like a little, the fold of the skin on the upper eyelid is like gone. So that's also a laser tightening. And we all have these lines, the stubborn lines on the upper lip, which taking care of the deep laser, if you are a candidate, then it works really, really well. The other way to take care of these lines is, of course, to fill with some filler, like Volvala, which is a really good filler to fill fine lines around the mouth, around the eye, sometime in the glabella. We do combine some laser treatment. So it is a before and after of the fractional laser, which is kind of in between BBL and CO2. So really good result on the skin overall. After that, like everybody knows, and if I'm not aware of what Botox, Dysport, Xeomin, and this new one, Juvoda, this takes care of the lines which are caused by expression on our forehead or in between the eyebrows. I don't know if you have a picture for that, and around the eyes. So
Great question, Tiffany. So the special for the fillers are buy two, get one free. But if you think about it, if you don't need 3 in one sitting, you could always just keep that for the whole year as like a maintenance. So that would be another option if you come and meet with Dr. Mira and you guys can't figure out, you know, where could the 3 syringes go? I don't need 3 syringes.
Yeah, if you just need 1 syringe, I think they're doing $100 off on Restylane. That's a really great option. So that's a good special. But we will love to look at your face and see what we're trying to achieve here and suggest accordingly.
So Juvederm would actually be a service that Dr. Mira does. This is a great question. So the products that are going to be considered part of the 25% off promotion are going to be like the topical skincare, the sunscreen. We also have medical grade Elta chapstick now as well, and the Latisse as well for growing your lashes would be part of
so
that.
Latisse is a really popular product, when we're $25 off. So any creams, any lotions, products we are just giving, like any retinols, moisturizers, they're all 25% off. But the services which we're doing, like fillers, lasers, other services are specifically listed as what we are doing specials on that.
Okay,
all right,
go
so
over some wrinkle relaxers.
Right, so we were talking about like wrinkle relaxers, the products we use, Botox, Dysport for that purpose. It's take care of the wrinkles in between the eyebrows, on the forehead, around the eyes, and we use lipid amount around the mouth too, to kind of take care of some necklace lines or deals, like angle pulling down. So these are the main
We can
areas.
also do the masseters for those of you that clench and grind your teeth.
Yes, yeah, I think you does the masseter because you have the problem of that clenching teeth and jaw pain. Okay, so we kind of move on to filler part now. So filler part is we can do filler pretty much anywhere. So this lady, if you go back, this is kind of what we did around the eyes, cheeks, around the mouth. So it's a kind of a whole liquid facelift. So we can do filler in the temples, which is around about the eyebrow, underneath the eyes, in the cheeks, nasolabial folds. So this is another example of if we go to the filler around the eyes, cheeks, and then where we call like marionette lines, that's the lips. So it makes you look, restore the volume, makes you look, younger, nicely, still in a natural way. The lip filler is very popular to kind of, I'm just reading the question from Linda. So she's saying the in between the eyes, we have wrinkles, which we can relax with Botox, Dysport, but sometimes these lines are so deep that the Botox does not get rid of it completely. Then we go and do a very fine filler called Juvederm Volbella there. But it depends upon how strong your muscles is, from 20 units to around 30 units to take care of the lines right here. It just depends upon everybody's muscles there. So as I was saying, the lips are really popular. People want different type of lips. Some people want like very natural looking lips. Some people want more volume. Some people want different shapes. So we have all kind of people bring pictures to show what exactly they want. Like so we can do whatever they feel like. This is for that nasolabial folds and the laugh line around the mouth. So it looks nice when we kind of fill that up. It makes you look younger. This is also a picture of doing under eye filler and the laugh line. So that kind of makes your face look rested. And like you have a lot of sleep, so it's a good area. So
I will say that's one of our most popular treatments so far, and I think it's because we're covered from here down, is the under eye area. It has become very popular lately from what we've seen.
Yes, and the face sculpting is another one, which is like some people have like really small chin. So giving that chin volume really kind of makes your face looks very balanced and profile improves a lot. So jaw contouring and chin has becoming very popular nowadays. And the liquid rhinoplasty, like if you don't want to go in very like aggressive form of permanent nose job, just doing little bit filler and trying how your nose is going to look. It's really a good option. This is a very like a non-invasive. It doesn't take that time and the effort and the money before jumping into or ever going into a surgical rhinoplasty.
Less downtime too.
Yes, it's done within 5 minutes. So now we are going more talking about the face sculpting and jaw sculpting. Some people will have like double chin. So we have two ways non-surgically to get rid of it. One is Kybella, and you just inject underneath the chin, and the Kybella actually dissolves the fat, leaving other organs intact, or that your skin remains intact. Of course, you have some swelling and bruising for a couple of days. This is again, you can see a good result. Has a lot of skin, has been tightened up just with the Kybella. So that's completely non-surgical, natural results, non-invasive, have less downtime with that. And talking about like non-surgical rejuvenation, I think we moving to threads, which the threads we have Silhouette, Instalift, and Pedio. We use threads for two reasons. First is more for like just giving collagen, and the other thing is lifting. Of course, CO2 does lifting too, but no, not everybody's a candidate for CO2 laser tightening. So people like my skin type, the video threads and Silhouette Instalift, really good job, and especially in the lower face, eyebrows, and the neck. So it's for the people who have the skin laxity, like you can pinch the skin around your jaw and around your neck, but not ready for facelift yet. Or some people are on blood thinner; they cannot go underneath the knife. Or some people are scared of like what kind of a results I'm going to get because it's permanent. If you have a scar, then you have a scar. These are very natural looking results, and your these threads are dissolved by your own body, and you are left with just a collagen production. So, um, so you don't have to have a double chin, but sometimes you have a jowling going on. So we use Kybella to shape the extra pouch we have here around the jaw too. But it will be very good if I can see your face and go over the different options. So they both, Kybella and threads, kind of works really great to enhancing the jaw, because sometimes the jaws is just extra little skin which can nicely pull up with the threads, and sometimes we have a pocket of fat, so we apply Kybella works the best. So it depends on person to person, like what we are dealing with. So this is example of neck lift by Pedio thread. So you can see she doesn't have more fat, it's just extra skin, and we have called those platysmal band. This muscle on our neck become loose with time, and we tend to get this band. So putting the threads, I'm trying to fix my mic here, it's falling all over the place, but there we go, I don't want to. Thank you. Yes, so like putting the threads here, kind of give our jawline an angle of our between jaw and neck really nicely back. Makes you look really youthful, non-surgically, very natural result. And of course, this is temporary. You don't have to, if you, it kind of goes away like fillers. You can always do touch up, add. After a year or so, the result lives up to 2 years. So that's why nowadays the actually surgical procedure, when in 50, at the age of 50, everybody was getting facelift, which is now they are can delay it more 60, 70 years. So that's another example of neck lift by threads. So if you look at that, you see like bunching around your jaw and neck. So that's how much skin we lifted, and that skin does not stay there. That's for like a couple of hours or days, and the skin redisposes itself where it was there near your ear. So we have nice angle, very youthful look between our like jaw and neck, which without threads we didn't have that tool before. So the surgery was the only option. So Tiffany, Kybella is taking the volume away, so it dissolves the fat. Bellafill is a filler; it's putting the volume in. So Bellafill is different than any other fillers because it lasts for 5 years, up to 5 years. So Bellafill is FDA approved for nasolabial folds, the laugh lines here, the acne scars where we put it anywhere deep, like in our cheeks, nasolabial fold, marinette lines. So that's the difference between filler. So filler, as suggested, we want the volume or the filling in our cheeks, in our upper face, here in the temples. And we want the volume taken away from our lower face when we have like pockets of fat here in our jaws or big chin underneath. So combination of the fillers and Bellafill gives us the sculpting. Actually, that's what we call a liquid facelift, that we are relaxing the wrinkles here with the Botox, putting some volume in the cheeks and nasolabial folds, and Kybella, whoever needs it, if they have double chin, taking the volume away, taking the extra fat away, which doesn't belong there.
I think we have some Coolsculpting before now.
Yes. So Coolsculpting, I think a lot of people know about this service. It's getting popular. Why is it getting popular? Because it's completely non-invasive, as compared to liposuction, where you have more downtime. We are going underneath the skin. You're not going underneath the skin at all. It's completely non-surgical. So what is done? It is we are cooling the skin with a suction cup, and what the cooling does, it kills those fat cells. So each application, around 1/5 or 20-25% of the cells are gone permanently. So Coolsculpting is not for overall weight loss. It is for that stubborn fat pockets of fat, like we call it muffin top with the lower abdomen, or the love handles on our side.
Yeah, like if you've ever put like a dress on and wherever you feel like you need to wear Spanx to smooth that out, it's that area you want to hit with Coolsculpting.
Yes, those extra fluffy fat you see around the bulges. You see around like the bra fat, the in the arms we have like right here. So we can sculpt and freeze that extra fat. And right after we use the heating, the thermal body with a radio frequency treatment, which does I'm going to come back to Eddie's question in a second. So it's so the thermal body kind of do the skin tightening and enhances the result of Coolsculpting. So thermal body itself is a good treatment for cellulite, but if you combine with Coolsculpting, it is enhancing the result of the Coolsculpting. So Eddie, because we are not breaking the skin, we're not going underneath the skin, so we can always go around the C-sections. So if you have the pouch of fat or the fat after the C-section, we can use Coolsculpting over it. You should just not have any rashes or break on the skin, but since the scar is underneath the skin, we can use Coolsculpting for that. A lot of our people has C-section in the past in the lower abdomen, and they have been using Coolsculpting to yes, Tiffany. So bra fat is that little pouch of fat we all you know.
Yeah, even
so
some
much.
women have this little pouch here. Like we could actually cool sculpt that area as well. So that's another area.
Right.
Even like outer thigh,
Yes.
inner thigh, the little roll a lot of women have underneath the glutes. We call that the banana roll. That's another popular area that people like to target with cool sculpting.
Yeah, the bulges around the knees, which I have, and I'm still using Coolsculpting for that. I'm not done yet. An inch to pinch. You suggest more. So yeah, wherever you can pinch, you can get rid of it. You can pinch it. You can freeze it.
Yeah, that's their saying.
Yeah. So definitely, we can. Cellulite is that area which is caused like dimpling skin. We don't have a like treatment for it which takes care of it completely, but it improves the results a lot with the radio frequency the treatment. There are some invasive treatments for that too available, but the non-invasive treatment of course are more popular because it doesn't have downtime and the complications and the side effects. So as we said, so implants, like if you have a breast implant, that's the most common implant. We are going to not completely put implants into that suction cup, but generally people doesn't have issues with the implants. It's just the pockets around the implants, and we can treat that. But for that, we just have to see you, evaluate you, that if that area is actually a good area to cool sculpt or not. So if somebody has like butt implants and then they're having that looked good for years, but now we're having some areas which is bulging around it, we can cool sculpt it. Oh, thank you.
We tried to dress to theme today.
Yeah, do you like my hairband and everything? Like, of course, with this year, we everybody who knows us like we do amazing Christmas party. There are around 200 people here. It's wonderful. But this year, we are trying to be as festive as possible.
Spread some holiday cheer.
Yes.
Great question. So I would recommend for you, Virginia, to go ahead and schedule a complimentary consultation with Dr. Mira, because there are many options available to you.
Yeah, I just want to have 80-year-old body, not 80-year-old face. My face will last let's say around like 20 years less or so. So,
yeah, Dr. Mira, what's the secret to your great hair?
My great hair. So that's my reindeer hairband.
Good questions. I do encourage you guys, if you have any questions for Dr. Mira, go ahead and comment below. We'd be happy to address them. Just to touch on again, so the specials are going to be going on until the 16th, so that's next Wednesday. I do encourage you to take advantage if you know what you want. If you're a routine VIP Golden Glow patron, go ahead and call the girls at the front. They'll be happy to help you look into your account and guide you that way if you are unable to get in before the 16th.
Right. So when they're on the fillers, they're easy. So they're buy two get one free, all of them. And Botox is easy. Like how many units you're getting? $9. But thank you, Linda. But the other ones like laser facials, which would buy one area, get another one.
Yes,
50.
They're buy one get one 50% off. I have that one here.
Right. So
this one's my festive one I made for you.
Oh, thank you.
So our laser treatments, and this will be excluding laser tattoo removal, is going to be buy one get one 50% off. So that includes the CO2, deep resurfacing, IPL, BBL, profractional laser treatment, as well as your laser hair removal sessions as well, are going to be buy one, get one 50% off as well.
Right. So IPL BBL is really, really good treatment that people can use. So I will hopefully everybody get their money in their account. They can use towards facials. Let us know, and we just so Dina, we can just you can purchase it by phone. You just let us know. We call us at what facial you want. We will of course do the purchase, and we'll put your raffle ticket into our the raffle, and we're going to draw on the 16th. So the number of raffles you're going to get depends upon the purchase. So why don't we go over?
Yeah, so every $500 you guys spend will get you one raffle ticket, and then if you are a VIP member with us, you'll actually get double the amount of raffle tickets. So that will increase your chances of winning that $10,000 grand prize that we have going on. I have that slide right here. So Dr. Mary is giving away face and body rejuvenation. We've got a Coolsculpting cycle, Thermi body, Thermivol, as well as 3 chemical peels, 2 syringes of Restylane filler, 50 units of Dysport, 6 laser hair removal treatments, 1 area of threads, and 1 CO2 deep laser resurfacing treatment. So lots of good things that she's giving away there. I think we had a question on a laser here.
So Dina, the IPL stand for Intense Pulse Light, or another machine call it BBL, or Broadband Light. So what it does, it picks up our sun damage or redness. It also gives the energy to the skin, which causes collagen production. It makes the skin more smoother, even toned, elasticity is increased. So if you are fair skin and have light color eyes, you are a good candidate for this treatment. Just anti-aging only. Like people wants to do like every 6 months, or some people do every year, depending upon their requirement or what they're trying to achieve. But this is a treatment for sun damage, for some kind of a actinic keratosis or precancers, and rosacea. But a lot of people just use it because they want more collagen, elasticity, and reduced pore size on their face. So these are the really great treatment for younger people for the overall skin rejuvenation. So they go hand in hand with your keeping up your skin nice and even tone, taking the sun damage away, taking the redness away, and just giving the collagen back, which we tend to lose 1 to 3% every year. So that's the scale of gravity, and aging is not on our side. And we try to show some before and after on our IPL too. But we have a lot of before and afters on our website too. We to get like 80 to 90% where we want to be, we need 1 to 3 treatments, which can be 6 to 8 weeks apart. But the maintenance is definitely very important because we live in Florida, and that maintenance in some people is 1 treatment once in 6 months, and some people want to do it once in 8 months, and so on. Thank you, Dina. This is my IPL is my favorite.
Yeah, so it's not just limited to face. You can do neck, décolleté. Some people are doing their arms, their legs. So anywhere that you are a candidate for, Dr. Mary would
back of the hands is very popular to do these treatments. The face, neck, and chest, where we're exposed to sun, back, to the shoulders. Yes, Donna, we are definitely going to do that. As we mentioned, going to be small price increase in January, but not in December. So we are encouraging everybody to take advantage of our yearly specials, which is going to be, this is our biggest sale of our year, which not only are injectables like filler, Botox, Kybella, but lasers and spa services and products. Everything is going to be on sale.
Thanks, Jamie.
Hey Jamie, how are you? Thanks for the IPL is my favorite treatment.
Does anybody else have any favorite treatments that they like?
Of course, I like definitely after the Botox and filler, you know,
I know, I feel like a different person after I get my Botox. You just have more pep in your step.
Yes. And we can't see Denise's lips today.
So the specials that we have for the holiday event is for everyone. So VIP or non-VIP, you can go ahead and take advantage of those specials. As Dr. Beer and I mentioned before, we are going to have a slight price increase as of January. So I do encourage you, if you know what you want, you're a routine shopper, go ahead and call the girls. They can look into your account for you and help you. They can look if you have any Brilliant Distinction coupons, Aspire coupons that can be applied towards the specials as well.
So if somebody doesn't know about VIP program, our VIP program is people who want to take care of their face in a budget. Like they put $75 in their account and our, you know, the Hydrafacial, our Botox, fillers, everything on facial. So, and those $75 are not for us. It's not a membership fee. It is your money. You can use it whenever you want it. It just keeps accumulating. And then every 3 months, who want to keep up with their Botox, they can come and use it for that. And then, so our spa is not for like, of course, who can afford it a lot, but a lot of nurses, a lot of teachers, we appreciate those. And those we have to, you know, budget everything. We have to take care of our face. And of course, we work so hard to take care of the family and kids and community. So we want to make it easy for everyone and affordable. So for our VIP, we run a lot of specials just for VIP only. So the Botox is always on sale. Hydrafacial is always on discounted price for them. And some we change but run special just for our VIPs. So as a thank for doing service to our community, to be regular customers. So that's our VIP program. And if you want any information on that, our girls will be more than happy to go over in detail.
Yeah, one thing I want to touch on with the VIP program is oftentimes we do like flash specials here and there, but those are very limited in the amounts that we can sell. So what's great about the VIP program is not only are you paying your $75 a month that goes into your account, we're not taking it from you, so you can accrue it, use it as you wish, but those specials are exclusive to the VIP member. And, you know, even with tonight, you know, just by being a VIP member, you're getting double the amount of raffle tickets. So we try and, you know, treat our VIP members the most just because they are very valuable to us. And I do encourage, you know, if it's something that you can save for, it is a smart program the way you designed it, because, you know, that person that say they're just getting Botox once every 3 months, you know, the $75 you're putting in each month, by month 3, you have all your money that you have saved for your Botox treatment. So your spouse won't see how much you actually spend here if you are a VIP member.
So I have a question, what's the cost increase in Botox in January?
So we're actually still going to be working out the details, and we'll announce it on our website, social media outlets, as well as email, just to give everyone, you know, enough time to prepare what our increase will be. But it's not going to be a drastic increase. It's just something that we need to do to be able to support our business at this time. I will have to agree with your comment, Tiffany. I've worked for other physicians before, and she actually is very talented, because I'm super picky. And I'm not just saying that because I work here, but she is not only just, you know, an injector, but I would say like there's a level of artistry that comes with doing injectables, and she definitely has it. So I'll have to agree with that.
Oh, thank you so much, Tiffany and Denise, because I will treat anybody's face like it's my own face. If I don't want that on my face, I will not do it to you. That's just true, because I kind of experiment and do everything on my face first before it goes to your face, guys. And
This is true. She is her own guinea pig. Before, if we ever get something new, she tries it on herself before she will try and convince who's a candidate of the service. So that's something that she's willing to do. She has her own skin in her game. Tisa, thank you so much. We do appreciate your loyalty.
Thank you so much, Tisha. Thank you for being here, and thank you everybody to being here. It's like amazing.
So gift cards for Botox. So if you're talking about the gift card promotion that Allie or Brilliant Distinctions is doing right now, they have a promotion separately that you can take advantage of through Allie.com, where if you spend $75, they'll give you a $100 gift card. You can use that as you wish. And then tonight, just by watching the $50 that you're getting in your account, you can use that towards the specials, which is not something we normally do. So definitely take advantage of that as a big thank you for watching. Look at all the love you're getting, Dr. Mira.
Oh, I'm just so lucky and thankful. Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah, we're hoping we won't have to do virtual events much longer.
I'm so looking forward to seeing you guys.
But we have to be safe.
Yes, yeah. I mean, I have, like, all people have mixed feelings about this thing going on and mask and everything. It just has to be like safe than sorry. Even if one person I can like get sick, I don't want to take that on my consciousness, but I was like so willing to do. Like, I'm missing that event when we have everybody we can see, we can talk, we can chat, we have food, but hopefully next year we can just meet and greet face to face again. But right now that's the best we have.
I do want to let you guys know our next event, it might be virtual depending on what the situation is, but it is going to be a Valentine's themed event. So that'll be in the month of February. We'll be releasing that information shortly for you guys to join and sign up for that one as well.
Sounds good. I believe it's going to be like just before Valentine, I think on 11th, on like generally Thursdays where we do our events. So
I'm just curious. I want to know what everyone's thinking. Like, what are some things that we should give away just so we know for the future what everyone is really interested about? Go ahead and comment your thoughts.
Yes, that would be very nice. If you have any suggestions like about our event, or what about our like specials you'd like to have or giveaways, we will be more than happy to please to kind of implement and share with us. Thank you, Lori. That's really nice of you to say that. I really appreciate everybody who is here and who are like trusting us with their face and trusting us with their friends and family, referring us to everyone, because that's like all my 80 to 90% of the clientele is. We know their friends, their family, their mom, the aunt, like whole family I see there, and I'm really, really thankful for that. I think we are lucky to have people like you.
Yes, and Dr. Mira is actually trying to grow her social media following. So if you have an Instagram, please go ahead and follow us on Instagram. We'll actually put $10 in your account here with us if you follow us. So if you search Golden Glow Med Spa on Instagram and hit follow, we'll go ahead and put $10 in your account as a thank you for following
so
us.
Instagram and the social media, as you can see, it's just very easy to talk to and communicate directly with you guys. So I think that's the thinking here, and especially this year where it shows us like how important it is to just communicate directly through social media. It's going a lot. Thank you, Jessica.
So we have interest in Hydrafacial, so that's a very popular service here.
Yes, I love Hydrafacial.
Looks like retinol is a good one.
Yes, Hydrafacial, it's really, really good service.
So people want BBL and Coolsculpting. So actually, Coolsculting is part of our grand prize for this one. So that would be a good chance for you to win a Coolsculpting there.
Is the BBL there too?
So actually, you didn't include BBL. You include CO2.
Okay.
So.
No, we got a hardcore one here. We have to go all the way.
Let's see.
I mean, CO2 still, I think, is the best treatment for the skin. It takes care of tone, texture, tightness, gives a lot of lifting, gives a lot of collagen production. I'm just not the candidate. So people who are the candidate, this is the best treatment for the skin.
So we have a Radius lover out there.
Yes.
Good.
Radius it's collagen stimulant too. So Valentine, Radius, Sculptra, they're all called biostimulant. They stimulate your own collagen. It's a really good filler.
Do you have a favorite treatment?
My favorite treatment, no, it depends upon like what we're trying to achieve. So if you're trying to like people think Botox will fix everything, which is not true. Botox only best take care of the lines break by expression. So if you're trying to take care of the deeper line around the mouth by Botox, it's not going to do that. So if what I'm trying to achieve, that picks my favorite treatment. So I love all my treatments. They are really good tools to have in my toolbox.
Dr. Merrick did just bring in another new lip filler from the Restylane family. So Restylane Kiss is a nice one. Patients have been getting very good results with that filler. So we are now offering that as a new product, but still a lip filler.
Yeah, so it's inside the lip to increase the lip volume. I still love Volvala for the fine lines, and the under eye filler is really good. Voluma is really good for the cheek and the chin and the jaw contouring. That's really good filler right now. So lip volume, you can in upper lip you can increase by Juvederm XC, that's a good lip plumper. Restylane Kiss is another one. These are two good products which plumps and give the volume good because the hyaluronic acid attracts water, and the XC has a bigger molecular structure, so it kind of attracts water and gives the plumpness we want.
Yes, and I've actually had all of the Juvederm lip fillers now, and they all equally do the same result for me. What's interesting is like the onset. One will make me swell more than the other at first, but the end result is still the same, is what I've noticed.
Yes.
Thanks, Jessica.
Thank you, Jessica. You're the best. It goes both ways. So I'm really lucky to have you and all your family. I love you all, and you guys know that. But as I said, I always treat your face like it's mine. Thank you, Evelyn. I'm so excited to see you. Yeah, I can see from your picture. You're beautiful to start with.
Ooh, look at that selfie.
I know. And I love the hair. I mean, you guys are beautiful to start with. Just enhancing tiny bit here and there. I cannot take credit for that.
Aww.
That is so true. Yes, it's been a time when I kind of opened that long ago. It seems like yesterday. And I've been growing, I've been doing great, and all because of you guys. I'm just lucky, have support from very, very wonderful people. As not my clients and my staff, which is like my family. Like they help me and support me so much. I cannot do everything by myself, of course.
So if we have any final questions before we conclude our event, go ahead and comment below. Again, our specials are going to be going on until next Wednesday, the 16th, so you can still get into that raffle. I see some of you did comment things that were part of this raffle, so it'd be a good opportunity for you to get into that raffle. And then, of course, you know, we're going to be open tomorrow, the next day. So definitely give us a call to see if we can get you in before that deadline.
Yeah, so it's a kind of online event. We want to give enough time so people can like talk to us, or if you want to see face to face, to be sure before they can make a purchase. So before Wednesday, and then we going to go live online and going to pick our raffle winner and going to announce that. So you can always check the specials. We can cover one last time, and then it's on our website under the special tab. So if you want to look into that.
So our specials again: injectable fillers, buy 2 get 1 free. Botox, Dysport, Xeomin, and Jeuveau are $9 a unit. Kybella, buy 3 vials, get 1 free. Threads, 50% off full face or $500 off per area. Then for body, we have Coolsculpting, buy 2 cycles, get 2 50% off. That also includes 1 free Thermibody treatment. We also have Thermibody, Thermismooth, buy 1, get 1 free. Thermibot is going to be 50% off a package of 3. We have our spa services, chemical peels, buy 1, get 1 free. Microneedling with PRP, buy 1, get 1 free. And then, of course, we also have our skincare products, Latisse, 25% off when you purchase $200 or more. You'll get that 25% off there. Then our laser treatments are buy 1, get 1 50% off. So that's going to include CO2, IPL, BBL, ProFractional, and laser hair removal treatment sessions are going to be buy 1 treatment, get 1 50% off. And then lastly, the raffle. Every $500 you spend will get you 1 raffle ticket into this raffle that I'm going to go over next. And if you are a VIP member, you're going to get double the amount of raffle tickets. So the grand prize is a $10,000 value. It's going to include 1 Coolsculpting cycle, 1 Thermibody treatment, 1 Thermivod treatment, 3 chemical peels, 2 syringes of Restylane filler, 50 units of Dysport, 6 laser hair removal treatments, 1 area of threads, and 1 CO2 laser treatment.
Oh, thank you so much, Denise. It was a lot of talking. It's a lot of information. But thank you for doing
Guys,
that.
it's so hard to wear a mask all day. So hard. But we do it because we need to keep each other safe. And then also, if you did watch us tonight and comment your name, that's the only way we'll know that you were watching and where to put the $50. You'll get that into your account. You can also use that towards these specials. And then if you did refer a new friend, they were also watching, please comment and let us know so we can put $50 in your account as well as their account for a thank you for watching us.
Well, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for being here. And hopefully we'll hear from you soon. And if don't, then happy holidays. Have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And again, thank you for everything. Thank you for being here and being our wonderful, wonderful clients.
Thank you guys so much.
There's only one.